ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 76 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6 ರಾಸಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಲುಲಿತಲಲಿತಂ ವಿಶ್ಲತತ್ ಕೇಶಪಾಶಂ ಮಂದೋದ್ಭಿನ್ನ ಶ್ರಮಜಲಕಣಂ ಲೋಭನೀಯಂ ತ್ವದಂಗಂ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯಾಬ್ಧೇ ಸಕೃದಪಿ ಸಮಾಲಿಂಗಿತುಂ ದರ್ಶಯೇತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮೋನ್ಮಾದಾತ್ ಭುವನಮದನ ತ್ವತ್ಪ್ರಿಯಾಃ ತ್ವಾಂ ವಿಲೇಪುಃ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಹೇ ಕರುಣಾಬ್ಧೆ, ಓ ocean of compassion. Rasa Krida Lulita Lalitam, which is beautiful and was pressed during the Rasa dance. Vishlathat Keshapasham, whose hair is untied and disheveled. Mandodbhinna Shramajalakanam, with slight drops of sweat appearing due to exertion. Lobhaniyam, enchanting. Twadangam, thy form. Sakrut api, at least once. Samalingitum, to embrace. Darshaya, kindly show. He Bhuvanamadana, O enchanter of all the worlds. Tvatpriyaha, thy dear ones. Premon Madat, out of intense love. Tvam Vilepuhu, implored thee mournfully. Full meaning. O ocean of compassion, kindly show us just once thy enchanting form, which is beautiful and was pressed well during the Rasa dance, whose hair is untied and disheveled, on which slight drops of sweat were appearing, so that we may embrace it. O enchanter of all the worlds, thy dear Gopikas implored thee thus mournfully out of the intensity of their love. Om Tat Sat.